Rebecca here, and I'm so excited to share with you these replacement bulbs. I was gifted these in exchange for my review. I'm going to be changing these bulbs on my vanity. I really like these because they are LEDs.
The globe bulb measures almost 5 inches by 3.5 inches and is the basic medium base. It is very easy to replace these bulbs and to screw them into the vanity. The bulb is equivalent to a 60-watt bulb and is perfect for bathrooms, vanities. Another great feature about these bulbs is that they are compatible with most dimmer switches. It really did brighten up my bathroom so much with these replacement bulbs. All in all, these are great bulbs and I do suggest them.